Robin here. So I've made it to Australia, yay! I'm in Cairns at the moment. I've been here for a couple of hours. I've just gotten dressed, as you can see, summer clothes, 1st of December, seems very weird, but I've worn red because obviously it's the beginning of Christmas. This is where I'm staying. It's called Hotel Nomad. As you can see, the little bed's so cute. I love this like big grey wall. See a bit down there. Yeah, it's really cute. I'll show you around the rest of it a bit later on in this video. But yeah, today's plan is really just to have a chill. I've been traveling for 24 hours, and while it's 10 AM here, and I feel quite awake now, I've got a feeling I might crash later or once I've finally eaten. So there's a pool here and stuff. I'm just gonna read my book and I'm staying here for 2 nights, and then moving on to Gilligan's, which I'm gonna be rowdy, but it will be fun, on Tuesday, and then going to Great Barrier Reef on Wednesday, which will be in here too. I thought while I was here as well and have a big full-length mirror, which might not be too often of an occasion, I would run you through my outfit. So I've got these little paper bag waist denim shorts, which are from Topshop. I've bought them in black and like a rusty corally red colour too, because when I tried them on, I like how my figure looks in them, and I'm, you know, a little bit bigger, so that's important, and they're not too tight, my arse isn't hanging out, it's kind of perfect. This little western belt's from Primark. Little red ribbed top is from ASOS. I've got 2 little necklaces on here, little shower one from Urban Outfitters, and this is from Boho Moon. My Ray-Bans circle ones, which I've had since Christmas last year, and this little H&M bag, which I bought recently. It was $12.99, bargain. So that's me for today, and I'm going to go and get some food before I starve to death. Bye! So today is the day that I'm going to the Great Barrier Reef. I'm super excited, going to be snorkeling and everything like that. I've moved down to a hostel now in central Cairns, which has been really fun the last few days, made a couple of friends, which is good. But yeah, I'm super excited to show you snorkeling. So I just finished up at the Great Barrier Reef and I'm heading back to my hostel. It's probably one of the most amazing things I've ever done. I absolutely loved it. It was incredible. And I'm going to the Rainforest tomorrow as well, so super excited about that. But now it's time for some dinner. Hello, so today is Thursday in Australia. Today we're doing Uncle Brian's Rainforest tour, yay! So just currently walking into our second sort of pool of water for today. The first one was beautiful. Gone with Emma from my hostel, who kind of made friends with. She's really nice, and met some people on the bus today as well. Just walking through the rainforest to Josephine waterfall at the moment, which I think is the infamous Peter Andre mysterious girl one. So excited to try out my best hair flip. So it's Friday today, which means that today is my last day in Cairns, which I'm a bit sad about. It was not one of the places I was expecting to like the most. I was excited about things I was going to do here, but as a little place, it's really, really cute. I've been pleasantly surprised. I kind of settled into the hostel backpacking life quite well this week as well, like made friends with people in my room and on some of the trips and stuff that I've done, so that's been really good, and I feel a bit more comfortable with that now. But today I am hungover because all of my room went out last night, 8 of us. I think I got to bed about 2, so not too bad, because some of the girls came in when I was getting up this morning to pack to leave. Today I'm getting the Greyhound down to Townsville because I'm going to Magnetic Island this weekend, which I'm really excited about. This should be really nice. I'm excited to go in the sea because you can't do that here in Cairns because we have jellyfish. And yeah, I'm going horse riding on Sunday on the beach and in the water, which is like a bit of a bucket list thing for me, so can't wait. Oh, hi.
What up, ladies?
So it's Sunday now. I've just gotten back to the hostel that I stayed at on Friday night as well. I spent the weekend on Magnetic Island, which was really fun. Got there sort of like early Saturday morning. I ended up bumping into quite a few people that I'd met at my hostels before, so I was hanging out with them and a couple of new people too. We rented one of the little Barbie cars, which was super fun. Went and had a look for like koalas and wallabies and managed to see some. I was so happy, it was really good. Then we all had like a huge party on Saturday night, which was really fun, and I'm just absolutely knackered. I was meant to be horse riding today on Magnetic Island, but the cyclone's kind of come over and that got cancelled. Quite a lot of people's, but Sunday's trips for next week got cancelled too, which is a real shame. So yeah, I just decided to come back over to Townsville early, just because I'm so tired and I kind of need to sleep and catch up. But next week I'll be going to Whitsundays and Treasure Island, so I think this will be the end of this video, and the next one will cover all of that. So yeah, if you've enjoyed following my adventure so far the first week, I can't believe it's only been a week. I've had so much fun, such a good time so far, met some amazing people, so it's been really good. But yeah, please subscribe or follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and I'll leave the links below. Catch you in the next one.